Got this old PC running Windows 11 and doing CPU stress tests. Specifically, the CPU is running 100%. As we can see, this test's been running for 51 minutes. And the temps we're getting here on the CPU package, 47, 53 degrees. And it's a 4th gen Core i5. So my question is this, replacing the thermal paste on this old computer, how low the CPU package temperature is gonna be? Strange, it's like someone already been here. Okay, this is what we have. So it looks like maybe the thermal paste, yeah, it looks like the thermal paste already has been reapplied by another party. Maybe it was the refurbisher that reapplied the thermal paste. But in my experience, depending on the refurbisher, it is very, very rare to see a refurbisher reapply the thermal paste. You can clearly see on the heatsink, old and newer, nice and I have these choices. I have MX4, I have MX6, and I have Cooler Master. I think I'll use MX4 because it's gonna be a tight fit. And I don't need extremely gooey stuff. MX6 in my oh, that's actually a lot. MX6 in my experience is a lot more gooier, whatever the correct term is, than MX4. So yeah, let's install the heatsink.
80 minutes later.
And I just realized I never unplugged the system unit from
You what?
AC power. Install the shroud. The shroud is nice and secured. Start the system. System is starting. Excellent. The system is running. The CPU package or the cores are 46, 48, 46. The CPU right now is at 3.53 gigahertz, 29%. And yeah, let's start the benchmark for the CPU and see what the max temps would be for the CPU. Okay, so it's been a few hours. And as you can see, the CPU temperature is basically 64 degrees. So yes, I would definitely say replacing the CPU thermal paste made an improvement. It's about 5-6 degrees improvement because last time it was 70 degrees. Now we're at 65. As you can see, the CPU is at 100%, 3.4 gigahertz speed, and the base is 3.2. And once again, this is Core i5 Gen 4. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.